Hello everyone. So our last disk scheduling algorithm and the very much improved version of the look algorithm where we will get all the advantages. So it is an improved version of the look algorithm where the head starts from the first request at one end of the disk and moves towards the last request at the other end, where servicing all the requests in between. ठीक है. And once it is reaching the last request at the other end, head reverses its direction and it then returns to the first request at the starting end without servicing any request in between. किसी के जैसे similar लग रहा है? It is similar as something is similar as look and something is similar as see scan. Here it is mentioned, it is see look, circular look. So we are looking for a request, and once we will get the last request at one end, we will reverse the direction and come directly to the other end because it is circular, and we will service the request starting from that end. So here we are servicing the request only in one direction, not in both the direction. Like in look and scan, we are servicing the request in both the direction, but here like a see scan, in see look we are servicing the request only in one direction, and that too because it is look, it is looking for the request only. We will not be move our head if we will not get any request in that direction. We will reverse our direction from that moment where आगे अगर कोई भी अभी रिक्वेस्ट नहीं होगा तो हम वहाँ से रिटर्न हो जाएंगे, राइट. सो दिस सेम प्रोसेस विल रिपीट अगेन एंड अगेन एंड अगेन. So let's see the same problem, same numerical with CLOOK algorithm also. ठीक है. So here also the same disk queue with request for IO to blocks on cylinders. These are the cylinder numbers. The initial head position is at 53. We are moving towards the larger cylinder number. Total 200 cylinders are there. The same thing is there. Just we have to calculate the total head movement with CLOOK algorithm by applying CLOOK algorithm. So let's apply the CLOOK algorithm. So what will happen? Here initially we are at the 53rd disk number, then look है, we are moving towards the larger cylinder number, तो हम इस तरफ से मूव करेंगे. नेक्स्ट रिक्वेस्ट हमारा क्या आ रहा है? 65, तो 65, then 67, then 98, then 122, then 124, and then 183. So it will not move to the last, है ना. After reaching the last request at the other end, head reverses its direction. So we will now reverse our direction towards the other end, and because it is circular look, it then returns to the first request at the starting end without servicing any request in between. That means हम directly अब यहाँ से कहाँ आएंगे? ये हम फुलफिल करते गए. अब हम पूरा डायरेक्ट, आगे कोई रिक्वेस्ट नहीं बचा तो हम कहाँ पे आएंगे? सीधे 14th पे, द फर्स्ट रिक्वेस्ट एट द अदर एंड. फर्स्ट रिक्वेस्ट हमारी क्या है? 14. ठीक. 14 के बाद फिर हम 41. सो देख लो, एक चीज़ ध्यान रखना, 183 के बाद हम 41 पे नहीं आए, हम कहाँ आए? हम 14 पे आए. दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट रिक्वेस्ट. It then returns to the first request at the starting end without servicing any request in between. So it is coming to the other end because it is circular and fulfilling the request, the first request in this end, that is 14. So we are not fulfilling 41 first, we are fulfilling 14 first. So this is the main difference. So let's calculate the total head movement. टोटल हेड मूवमेंट क्या होगा? 65 माइनस 53, 67 माइनस 65, then 98 minus 67, then 122 minus 98, 124 minus 122, then 183 minus 124, then यहाँ तक आगे पहुँच गए हम 183 minus 124, फिर क्या होगा 183 minus 14 and the last one is 41 minus 40. So the total movement is 326. So what we get in look scheduling algorithm we get 299. तो ये बढ़ रहा है, तो ये अच्छा कैसे हो गया, improved version कैसे हो गया, because we are reducing the waiting time for these two requests by having a overhead of reversing to the other end. ठीक है, this wrapping to the other end is the overhead for us. So this is included in this 299 plus ये जो मूवमेंट है जो हम पूरा वापस आ रहे हैं उसके बाद फिर ये कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, तो ये ओवरहेड तो लग रहा है, लेकिन हम इन सारे रिक्वेस्ट का जो इस एंड में वेट कर रहे थे 53 से, ये आगे तो चल गया. इसके पहले के रिक्वेस्ट का क्या, तो ये दो रिक्वेस्ट कितने देर से वेट कर रहे हैं जब तक इन सभी का रिक्वेस्ट फुलफिल नहीं हो जाता. सो वी आर रिड्यूसिंग दिस वेटिंग टाइम एंड रिस्पॉन्स टाइम. ओके, that's why it is increased, it increased the seek movement, but by having some overhead with it, but it is reducing the waiting time. So that is actually the advantages. So the advantages of this algorithm is does not causes the head to move till the end of the disk when there are no requests to be serviced. ठीक है, ये तो है. Reduces the waiting time for the cylinder just visited by the read write head. That too, because of that it gives better performance than look algorithm. No starvation for any request because every request has to wait some average waiting time, and then it provides low variance in response time and waiting time. And one disadvantage is still there, that is an overhead of finding the end request, an overhead of coming from one end to the other end. ठीक है, so the question here for you to solve this one, here consider a disk queue with request for IO to blocks on cylinder. These are the cylinder numbers. Use CLOOK algorithm. The head is initially at 63rd position, moving towards the larger cylinder number on its servicing past. The cylinder are numbered from 0 to 199. Calculate the total head movement. Once you calculate this, comment the answer in the comment box, and if you like the video, please like it and subscribe my channel to motivate me to make more videos. Thank you.